Silently speaking loudly into the minds of our young must be a priority, for their perceived inferiority will try to convince them that it's true, that the Negro is neither them, me, or you.
You won't find our laughter and our smile, renaming, reclaiming, regaining all that was taken of us. The ground welcomes us, the earth shines on in time.
(1945 to 1955), a powerful time and people who must not be erased. What will you do to revive the sweet nectar that beckoned the Negro to do far more than just stay alive?
This is not just a silent film, it's a piece of moving art. And it's always reinventing itself. The artists today, they did not rehearse any of this. This is their spirit interacting with the silent film.